Krishna from plus 1 commerce class. Today I am going to speak on Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra was a great freedom fighter. He was popularly known as Netaji. He was born on 23rd of January in 1897 and he was dead on 18th of August in 1945. He was a great leader and Indian nationalist who fought courageously during Second World War. He was a leader of Indian National Congress during 1920s and 1930s. He became Congress President in 1938. He raised Indian National Army to make India free from British rule. He believed in fighting till the last breath for India's freedom. His famous quotes was, "You give me blood and I will give you freedom." He was a revolutionary freedom fighter who struggled a lot and motivated mass people to involve in the freedom struggle. Thank you. Have a great day.
गुड मॉर्निंग प्रिंसिपल मैम, टीचर्स एंड ऑल ऑफ यू। मैं आज आप सभी को सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी के जीवन के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहूँगी। सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी ना सिर्फ एक महान व्यक्ति थे, बल्कि वे एक महान एवं बहादुर सेनानी भी थे। सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी का जन्म एक समृद्ध हिंदू परिवार में हुआ तथा उनका जन्म 23 जनवरी 1897 ईस्वी में हुआ। उनका जन्म उड़ीसा के कटक शहर में हुआ। उनके पिता का नाम जानकीनाथ बोस था तथा उनकी माता का नाम प्रभावती देवी था, जो कि एक गृहिणी थी। सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी ने अपनी प्रारंभिक शिक्षा कटक में एंग्लो इंडियन स्कूल से ली तथा उन्होंने अपनी आगे की शिक्षा कलकत्ता के विश्वविद्यालय से दर्शन नाटक में स्नातक की डिग्री प्राप्त की। वे जर्मनी गए तथा वहां पे उन्होंने भारतीयों के साथ एक सेना बनाई जिसका नाम था आज़ाद हिंद फौज। उन्होंने अपनी मातृभूमि को अंग्रेजों से छुड़वाने के लिए "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा" जैसे महान शब्दों का प्रयोग किया तथा लोगों को प्रभावित एवं प्रेरित किया। ऐसा माना जाता है कि सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी की मृत्यु 1945 ईस्वी में एक प्लेन दुर्घटना से हुई, पर आज भी उनकी मृत्यु होने के बाद भी वे अपने कार्यों की वजह से तथा अब देश के लिए उन्होंने जो बलिदान दिया, उन सभी चीजों की वजह से आज भी भारतीयों के दिल में बसते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Remember that the greatest crime is to compromise with injustice and wrong. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. A very pleasant morning to everyone. My name is Simran. Today I am going to tell you some few things about Subhash Chandra Bose ji. Subhash Chandra Bose was a famous political leader. This famous political leader was born on 23rd January in 1897. Most noteworthy, he fought with bravery against the British rule. Subhash Chandra Bose was certainly a revolutionary freedom fighter. The participation of Subhash Chandra Bose took place with the civil disobedience movement. This is how Subhash Chandra Bose became part of the Indian independence movement. He also became the members of Indian National Congress. The British put Subhash Chandra Bose in under house arrest. This was because of his opposition to British rule. However, due to his cleverness, he secretly left the country in 1941 and went to Europe. Most noteworthy, he fought with the help of Russians and Germans against the British. Subhash Chandra Bose saw Second World War a great opportunity. He saw this as opportunity to take advantage against the British weakness. He went to USSR, Germany and Japan to seek help from these countries. With the help of these countries, he became to be successful. He led the INA to fight against the British. Subhash Chandra Bose was a strong believer in Bhagavad Gita. It was big belief that Bhagavad Gita was a great source of inspiration for the freedom fighters against the British. He also believes in firm beliefs Swami Vivekananda's teachings in high esteem. In conclusion, Subhash Chandra Bose is an unforgettable national hero. He had tremendous love for countries. Furthermore, this great personality sacrificed his life for country. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
My name is Muskan Pant. I study in +1 class from Kenwood Girls Senior Secondary School. Today, I shall be topic on Subhash Chandra Bose. Whenever we hear the name Subhash Chandra Bose, the first thing that comes out in our mind is a popular saying by him, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा" and Jai Hind. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Kotak, Odisha. His father, Janki Nath Bose, was a famous lawyer and his mother, Prabhavati Devi, was a pious and religious lady. He was ninth child among 14 siblings. He was very intelligent. He joined Scottish Church College and graduated in 1919 with a degree in philosophy. He passed the Indian Civil Service examination in 1919 to 1921 of the University of Cambridge College. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter whose role in India independence is instrumental. He was a president of Indian National Congress from 1938 to 1939. He attempted to get rid of British rule in India during World War II. He was died in 18 August 1945. I bow my head and say, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
मेरा नाम कामना है। मैं 12वीं कक्षा की छात्र हूँ। आज नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस की 125वीं जयंती है। देश के स्वाधीनता आंदोलन के नायकों में से नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस की जयंती को केंद्र सरकार ने पराक्रम दिवस के तौर पर मनाने का फैसला किया। तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुझे आज़ादी दूंगा, जय हिंद के नारों से आज़ादी की लड़ाई को नई ऊर्जा देने वाले नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र का जन्म 23 जनवरी 1897 ईस्वी को उड़ीसा के शहर कटक में हुआ। नेताजी की जीवनी और कठोर त्याग आज के युवाओं के लिए प्रेरणादायक है। नेताजी का जय हिंद का नारा भारत का राष्ट्रीय नारा बन गया। उन्होंने सिंगापुर में टाउन हॉल के सामने सुप्रीम कमांडर के रूप में सेना को संबोधित करते हुए दिल्ली चलो का नारा दिया। फिर जलियांवाला बाग के कांड ने उन्हें इस कदर विचलित कर दिया कि वे आज़ादी की लड़ाई में कूद पड़े।